Earth Day 22nd April. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April throughout the world. The first Earth Day celebrated on 22nd April 1970 to protect the earth from climate change, pollution and over exploitation of natural resources. It was founded by United States Senator Gaylord Nelson. It takes place each year on 22nd April. It now takes place in more than 193 countries around the world. Earth Day is an annual celebration honoring the achievements of the environmental movement and raising awareness of the importance of long-term ecological sustainability. During Earth Day, the world encourages everyone to turn off all unwanted lights. World Earth Day inspires millions of people around the world to share the ideas about environmental issues and to take some concentrate action to protect the environment. Every year, World Earth Day is celebrated around the globe with a theme in order to focus the attention of the public about the various environmental issues. It's known as International Mother Earth Day around the world. Earth Day went global in 1990s. Earth Day was renamed officially by the UN as International Mother Earth Day. Other names of the Earth are Gaia, Terra and the world. It is believed that the Earth is supposed to be 4.5 billion years old. Almost 70% of the surface of the Earth is covered with water, hence it is called a blue planet. Earth has an atmosphere containing 21% of the oxygen that helps in the survival of living beings. Gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen in the Earth's atmosphere help plants to grow. The Earth revolves around the Sun in 365.25 days. The 0.25 days add up to form the extra day every 4 years as a leap year. Protecting our planet starts with you. Protecting our planet starts with you. Here are just a few of the things you can do. Thanks.